Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Okay, so we have a Ford Focus 2012 Ecotec. Customers complaining that the carpet is soaked on the driver's side and also losing coolant. So as many of you know, you've got coolant running inside the engine, and then you've also got coolant running in the engine bay area, and then you've got also coolant running inside the car, which we call the heater matrix, which is just there. Just shine the light. The heater matrix basically fills up with coolant, and when you turn your heater on to hot, it provides heat in your car. So they're losing coolant, and this is one of the reasons. You can see that here we got water leaking just there. Now the good news is that the heater matrix is alright. The problem is the joint. There's these two plastic clips. If you were to take these two clips out, basically it separates, if I can just show you, these two pipes away from the top two pipes. So they're just holding them into place, and there's O-rings in them. When the O-rings sort of wear due to the expansion and contraction of the coolant, they can cause leaks. So what's happening, you can see here, I've just filled the car with coolant, and you can see it's dripping all the way down into the carpet, soaking it all up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take those two clips off. It's actually leaking from the top part, but we're going to order 2 new seals. Take this off. We'll have to drain the coolant first, of course. Drain the coolant, take these 2 clips off. There'll be 2 O-rings in there. Replace the O-ring, clip this back on, and the jobs are good. If you do not have a leak, and you just don't, you don't have any sort of coolant leak, but your heater is not giving out hot air, then you've got a problem with your heater matrix itself, and I'm afraid it's not easy to get to. Although I'm showing you this video from here, luckily you can see the connections here, but if I was to take this heater matrix out, it actually involves taking the whole dashboard. Okay, so you have to take the glove compartment off, center console, steering wheel, airbag, all that. The whole dashboard, including center console, has to come out so you can access the heater matrix, which lies underneath at the bottom there. Unfortunately, you can't access it from here. You have to take the dashboard. So luckily in this car, the heater matrix is fine. Actually, I can see some hot air coming from here right now. Temperature's low, so it's fine. But it's obviously leaking, and when the water leaks all out, then obviously you haven't got hot air. Obviously, you're not holding the pressure as well, so you're not getting that consistent heat in the car. So you can get those O-rings on eBay. I don't think they're gonna cost an arm and a leg, but it's luckily a simple fix, and it's not something that we have to take out the whole dashboard. Okay, hope that's been helpful, guys. Subscribe, like. Any questions, hit me up. Okay guys, just to give you a bit more clarity, taking that off, and to my surprise, there is no O-ring. There is supposed to be an O-ring here, a black O-ring. What somebody's done in the past, I don't know if you can see, instead of the O-ring, they've decided to put some silicone sealant around the edge there. So yeah, I'm going to clear that up. I'm going to purchase the O-ring, slide the O-ring on there, put that back in, and that should stop the leak. Okay guys, I know in my previous clip I didn't show this. I didn't take this off, but yeah, I've taken this off now just to show you, to give you a better idea. Just taking a bottle, and as you take it off, obviously there wasn't much coolant in the car anyway, but I know once taking that pipe out there will be some coolant coming out, so I've just collected it in this bottle and just basically emptied it into a bigger bottle by just unscrewing the cap of the bottle. So it's just a easier way of just collecting the remaining coolant and then reusing it if the coolant's in good condition. So yeah, that's it on here. New O-ring, put that back in again, slide that in. There you go, look, got some coolant coming out there now. And that should seal it all up and have it all working as it should. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we've got the new seals in. I've changed both of them, and as you can see right now, guys, no leak whatsoever. Heater's on, temperature's okay. I'll keep an eye on the coolant just to make sure there's no blockages, so I'm just taking the air out, but other than that, the main job here, the leaking stopped. For those of you who would like to know the part number, that is here. There you go, that's the part number for those of you who would like to order this. That's what they look like, and you just take those two pipes off, replace the O-rings, and hopefully that should help you all. Thanks, bye.